Here's how to update Messenger on your iPhone or Android. Now, if you have the Messenger app open, let's close out of it on your iPhone or Android. And the first thing we need to do is clear the cache and all those temporary files so that we can cleanly update it. So to do that, let's head into the settings. We'll tap on General and then iPhone Storage. This shows you all of the apps that are downloaded onto your iPhone. If you're on an Android phone, all you need to do is go to the Apps section and navigate to Messenger. Now from here, let's just scroll down until we find Facebook Messenger on this list. And we're going to go in and we're going to clear all of those temporary files just by offloading the app and reinstalling it. Essentially what this does is it clears out all kinds of bugs or glitches and temporary files and makes those apps run a lot smoother. Now, after you've done that, after you've gone through the process of offloading and reinstalling it, the next thing we can do is head into the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android. And from here, we'll tap on search and we will just search for Messenger and hit go. From here, you'll be able to see there is Facebook Messenger. If it says update right there, just tap on the update button to get the latest version. Or if it just says open, then you will have that latest version, and offloading it and reinstalling it gave you the latest update with the latest features. You can just tap on open here and you'll be good to go.